guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share another episode of the unboxing experience that I have with all my new collection of the silk scarf, that including mostly HERMES as well as a couple of, I believe was Gucci. I will have another episode just focus on Gucci because I did received some of my orders, but I want to share with you. I want to wait until all my Gucci scarf arrive, then I can share all together at the same video. So now today, that's the newest batch of order I received. So that one has only the one, and this one have a couple of them. So yeah, give me a second. I'm going to just open up and share the unboxing excitement with you shortly. So first of all, I need to open up. I just got my scissors. So I have been really busy, so didn't really have a lot of time to update my video, but I will try my best and keep you guys updated whenever I have time free. So now that's the first layer, then the second layer. They always come in with very well packed packages. So just make sure everything will packed safely. So yeah, as I mentioned, there's a couple of them here, and there are some really beautiful HERMES I want to share with you afterwards. And yeah, all right, let's just get started. I'll leave this one at last. So let's just get started. I can't wait to open every single tag. So first one, I can't really remember exactly which one here, so it's good that we can share the excitement at the same time when I'm open up. So this is the first one. I don't think this is oh, that's a Christian Dior. So that seems very light scarf, but it's really pretty with the light color, like I'm trying to say, the very pretty purple color and little florals. So it seems very much a vintage, and the tag even different, like smaller tag, and I think that's good for like a spring or autumn scarf. I don't think it will keep me warm that much. So actually the weather getting cooler now, so it's good time to wear a scarf. This one very easy to wear. I think I could just wear it right now anytime when I go out. Just keep a little bit, keep my neck warm a little bit. So that's the first scarf. The second one, oh, this one is really beautiful. I'm pretty sure that was Chanel, because when I trying to win that bid, it's quite difficult, because usually Chanel is very highly sought after brand for everything, whether it's a scarf or clothes or anything. But especially this one is super beautiful. Now I'll show you. It's much bigger in size. See, I actually have, I think together now I have about 3 or 4 different Chanels. Some with camellia. This one is sort of a mix between like a jewelry design as well as floral design. I like the colorway with all these pink and red, and particularly roses. Rose always being my favorite. But then also around that you can see those like some type of design jewelry brooch or with gemstone type of thing. And you can see also that must be pearls, I think. Look like pearls to me. And I also have some pearls. I will make an episode one day just to talk about pearl necklaces, because I have different kind of pearls. So for me, this is really beautiful. And then also you will see here is the Chanel logo as well as the Carre tag. And yeah, I'll just do very quickly show you what this look like if I try to wear with my jacket. Yeah, see, it is definitely very nice. Look very luxurious. It's actually going really well with my black jumper. I won't do anything too complex. I just want to see the color. Very pretty. So yeah, that's a beautiful adding to my collection. So now next one, well, the rest all are HERMES, so great. So okay, the first one, I mean those one I just beat it because I just love the design. And this one I think is called passion fruit. However, this one's slightly unusual because I saw other design of passion fruit, mainly with like green color and with other color in more like a plant color, but this one is actually has more of a brown, like a dry flower type of arrangement to me. It just caught my attention. And then also you see the star is also a yellowish or orange color. But then on next to all the other flowers, still having a similar color with purplish reddish flowers. So here you can see the brand passion fruit and HERMES as well, and very, very nice. I feel like this one brand new. And even, you know, just feel never been worn, and very nice quality with all the print design. I can quickly show you what this looks like. And I just found it's very unusual. It might not looking like so much contrast with green and red color, but it have its own character with all those, you know, dry flower arrangement. And that's a typical passion fruit flower. I used to grow passion fruit in my backyard, so I know. That's why I sort of, you know, quite fond of passion fruit. Now, I mean, now you see the design, and also I like the fact that I have the white as the base color. So I maybe just do a quick try like I did before as well. Yeah, see, looks really nice. Even though, I mean, just from the design wise, it's not as good as those green one, like the traditional. But I like the fact you have different colorways. Sorry, I need some water. Anyway, so yeah, that's this one. I'll just go and get HERMES. And that's another very unusual design, which very very difficult to come across. So that's another rare find designs. I actually never seen it before. The first time I ever seen was selling on eBay. So I just can't wait to show you. Here you go, la la la. So light pink with, I really don't know, there's a lot of little people. I like the fact there's so much detail. So I can show you one by one. It's like people all kind of costume design. Now here is HERMES Paris, that's normal, we expected. And then see every single age are different people and with different hairs, clothes, and then there's come across in the middle pattern as well. But then right in the middle you have a beautiful like a sun symbol. So not too sure exactly what does it mean, but maybe earth or something to do with unification or something. And here then you will see another large that's the name of the scarf, I believe, Donna Lame. So yeah, here you go. I reckon that's a very beautiful color. It will be very beautiful, nice to wear. So especially with the different shade of purple in here, which I don't have a lot of purples in my collection. So this one is very special for me. I literally think this is beautiful. So look, the silk looks so beautiful with the purple color. So yeah, that definitely is one of my favorite in my collections. Now one more HERMES, of course. A big fan of HERMES. And I just can't help but notice HERMES scarf just gone up in value. Like you can't get anything under 100, or even you probably need minimum $200 to get any HERMES scarf. So this is really, really beautiful because I love bird. So this is small bird themed HERMES design. And I also really feel that this is super special is because it got this base, the base design of some patterns in the fabric. And then you will see there's a very much detailed design. And here is HERMES, the logo. Then look at the bird. They are so cute. I don't know what kind of bird they are. Squirrels maybe. And then they intertwine with all those golden flower. And yeah, I'm just thinking the whole design is beautiful and super feminine as well. Yeah, what else I want to show you? So it's definitely, to me, it's 100% genuine. And then also you take a look at this, the name called Le Cli de Chan. If anyone knows French, maybe you can write in my comments. I don't really understand unless I use Google Translate. So here is that's the middle bit of pattern. There's a lot of bird, at least 20 bird. So yeah, let me just have another try. This one should be really nice if I do the usual style, the triangle, and then not only keep my neck warm, it also looks nice, contrast with my black jumper. So that's all I have on this badge. I just have one from a different supplier. Let me just share that one. So these days I can't get a proper HERMES box anymore, but it's okay, I guess. As long as I have the scarf, it's very important. So this is the last one I want to share with you today. And I think this is also a very beautiful design and unusually beautiful. It's a bit of a green and a pink mixture of color, and it feels very soft in my hand. Look at that. I hardly see this one. I'm trying to find what is the title of this scarf. I can't really see it, but I do know there is just the HERMES logo here, and also that's the artist name. I saw this artist name happen quite regularly. There's some kind of statues on the four corner, and here you have the small copyright too. Yeah, interesting. I can't. Maybe that's the name. Maybe Le Pré here. That might be the name of the scarf. So yeah, it's beautiful. I can show you the four corner. I think they play some sort of musician. It looked like angels to me. So very mystical creatures. And then in the middle bit is a beautiful sailing boat with even sailors in the boat. Very much detailed. So I will just also try this one too. And I just love the edge of this green and pink color. It's very rare. So yeah. So I think I have done really well in my last week's shopping. So, and I really love all the scarf I just purchased. So yeah, that's for today, and stay tuned. And I will continue to update you in the next episode. I will try to focus on Kuji this time. Thank you again. Have a nice day. Bye.